beautiful family. On today's video I'll be doing twins out on my natural hair. My first time doing twins out on my natural hair. I'm curious to know how the twins out will come out, so please stay tuned with me. Let's find out how the twins out will come out. Okay, so my hair is fresh wash. I fresh wash my hair. My hair is clean. Okay, so this is my right tooth comb. I will use this right tooth comb to section my hair. Okay, so I'm going for center parting, but I was thinking at this moment if I will go for center parting or half parting, but I finally decide to go for center parting. So I'll part my hair and section my hair for easy workable.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you.
I section my hair in 6 sessions. After sectioning my hair in 6 sessions, this is what I got. Okay, I know that is not that beautiful, but at least it's manageable enough. So first thing I will need to do this my twins out is a help of water. My second ingredient is my flaxseed leave-in condition. Okay, I'll be making use of it. And another thing is my mega growth leave-in condition. I'll also be making use of my mega growth leave-in condition. And the next thing I need is my white tooth comb, okay, to comb my hair, and this right tooth comb to section the hair, and lastly my eco styling gel. Okay, so these are the products I'll be making use of to do this my twins out. So if you have any more tips for me, any more product you know that I will use to make the twins out come out well, please let me know in comment section below. So I will start working from the front of my hair. I part my hair in a little section. I'm just thinking that working in a little section will help the twins out to come out well. I don't know, so let's see, okay, whether working in little section will do a good job. Okay, we help the twins to come out well or not. So first thing, I apply my water on my hair. I spray the water on my hair and I work it in very well, okay, to hydrate the hair. So my first ingredient to apply on my hair is my flaxseed leave-in condition. Okay, and also I coat that very well on my hair, and I make sure that I rub it in very well on my hair, and also I apply a little bit of it in the scalp of my hair, into my scalp of hair, so that it also get the good deal of it. So I also apply a little of my mega growth leave-in condition. So I also work it in very well to make sure that the product really work in very well. I don't want to hear the story that touching the heart. I want to moisturize my hair very well. Okay, so next thing, I apply my eco styling gel, a little amount of eco styling gel, and also rub it in very well on my hair. So next thing, I grab my white tooth comb. I start combing my hair from the tip of my hair to the work my way to the root of my hair. So I twist the hair very tight. Okay, I divide my hair into half, equal half, and start twisting it very tight. So I try to twist it very tight. I was thinking maybe twisting it very tight will help the twist to come out well. So I don't really know. So let's see if twisting this hair very tight we're going to help a good job, whether it's good, whether it will do a good job or not. The baby girl don't know, so I'm just novice. I don't really know. So like as I said, it's my first time doing twins out on my hair. So I twist my hair to the tip of my hair. Once I get to the tip of my hair, I use my hand and coil my hair. This is how this first session is looking like. I hope these twins out come out well. Oh God. So I will still collect little section, apply my plain water on it, and follow up with my leave-in conditions. First one is my flaxseed leave-in condition, mega growth leave-in condition, and follow up with my eco styling gel. So this is a repeating process. So this is what I'll be doing until I finish entire of my hair. So keep on watching. Okay, And also, let's see how the twins will come out. I'm so nervous, and at the same time I'm happy to try the twins out on my hair. And also, I can't wait to see the final result. Honestly, I can't wait to see the final result. So stay tuned with me. Let's see how the final result will look like.
So
This is how far I have gone so far. Honestly, I'm almost finished. Okay, remaining the front. So I'm not doing it session by session again. I'm just applying the products on this session together, and after applying the product together, like spraying water on my hair, applying my leave-in condition, my flaxseed leave-in condition, following up with my mega growth leave-in condition, and I apply the eco styling gel. So after then, I'll start parting the hair session by session. I'll start parting the hair and betwining the hair. So I think that this part is this, like working it in whole like this will be more easier for me. So this is the eco styling gel. I comb my hair first before I can apply the eco styling gel, as you can see. So once I apply the eco styling gel, I use my hand and part the hair little session, and I will start twisting the hair. Okay, so that is the same process. Only thing that changed that I'm not working the little session again. But once I collect the little session, I will still collect a little of eco styling gel and apply on that session. Okay, so this is the repeating process. That's what I will do on try through twisting this remaining of my hair. This is the last session of these twins. This is the last session. So do you see how my hair is look like? My hair looks so beautiful. I can even carry this hair like this without even losing it out. But no, I'm going for twins out. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking like. So those white things, they later disappear. Okay, those white things, they disappear. Okay, do not take time, they disappear. So this is how my hair look. My hair looking so fluffy, so beautiful. I can't stop shaking my hair because my hair looking so bouncing. As you can see, it's looking so bouncing. So what I will do now, I will pack my hair away. I'll use my hair bonnet now to cover up my hair, and I'll go and sleep. Okay, I'll leave this for overnight. Okay, so the next day, let's see what will happen. So this is the next day. Okay, my hair have dry. Okay, oh my goodness, I hope that these twins come out well. Oh my god. Okay, it is what it is. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's take this hair out. Okay, so before I take this hair out, before I start raveling the hair, I need to apply oil on my hand. I don't know the technique of this oil, but I thought that this oil will help to loosen out the hair easily, and also it will help to control fleas. I don't really know. So twisting out the hair, I'll just ravel the hair from the middle of my hair, just raveling it that the way you are seeing now. Oh my goodness, let me see what this hair will look like. I hope these twins have come out well. I hope it's come out well, honestly. But it is what it is. Okay, so this is the first twins out. Guys, what do you think? This first one that just come out, what did you think? Do you think that these twins have to come out well or not? Please let me know in comment section below. Okay, just comment. Okay, let me know what you think. Okay, so I will continue wrapping the other of my hair. So this is how I'll be doing it. Okay, I have loose out too. Okay, so let's see. Your baby girl is so curious. I'm so curious. I can't wait to see the final result. So let's see the final result together. If you are still watching up to this point, please let me know in comment section below. Say yes, I'm still watching. I'm still waiting to see the final results. Okay, oh my goodness. Let me know the score I have given this for only this little one that I have lost out. Which score are you giving it? Is it 2/10 or 3/10 or 5/10? Let me know what you scored it for this only this session that I have lost out. Okay, let me know what you scored it. Okay, what is your mind telling you now? Is your mind telling you that the twins will come out well, or is your mind telling you that the twins will not come out well? Let me know in comment section below. So I'll wrap it there. Once my hand dry, I will still apply more oil on my hand and continue unraveling the hair. Wow, do you see the coils? I'm unraveling all the tire of my hair. Guys, do you see the coils? Oh my goodness, I'm so more in love with this. Please let me know, did I try? Did these coils come out well? Please let me know what you think in comment section below. I'm feeling myself at this moment. I'm feeling myself, to be honest with you. Oh my goodness, please let me know what you think. Okay, am I right? Did this coils come out well or not? Let me know what you think. Okay, so I'm trying to check if there is any other one that I did not lose out. Okay, so this is the back. This is how the back is looking like. Wow, honestly I don't expect these twins to come out like this, but let me know what you think. Did these twins come out well? As being a first timer, I think that I did well. Please let me know. If I did not do well, let me know. Okay, so for these twins out to look more fuller, I need to unravel it more. Okay, as in to unravel the each section. Okay, so that it can look more fuller. Let's see after unraveling it whether is it going to look more okay, or with the coils, as in with the coils spoil or what. I don't know the word to use on it, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So if I leave it this way, it is not that full. Okay, I want it to be more full. Okay, so ravel it more will make it more fuller. So this part now, I ravel this section. Do you see how this part now is full? Oh my goodness, I'm so happy at the result I got so far. I'm super happy. To be honest with you, I did not expect this twins out to come out this way, to be honest with you, but all the same I thank God. But like as I said, if I did not do well, okay, if it did not come out well, being first timer, remember that I'm my first timer. This is my first time doing twins out on my natural hair. So if it did not come out well, please still let me know in comment section below. Do you see how the hair is looking? This partner is more fuller than this side. Do you see it? So maybe if I want it more fuller again, I'll go for more. I will twist it out again to go more fuller. Okay, so do you see the difference in between this one that I have raveled more and this side that I have not raveled more? By the coils, this side I have not raveled more show more coils, okay, than this side I have raveled more. I don't know whether I'm making sense. I hope you're understanding me. So I will go off camera now to ravel this part of my hair. So this is the general how the hair is looking like after unraveling the hair. Do you see how fuller it look like now? It look more fuller, honestly. It look more fuller, but I don't know whether the coils is still on point. Let me know, okay? I don't know whether the coils is still on point, but at least I think it look more fuller now. Okay, so keep on watching. I'll also do some little styling. Okay, I would style my twins out about 3 to 4 styling. Okay, just watch and see how I sizing up this my twins out, okay, to take it to next level, guys. Oh my goodness, please let me know what you scored this. Is it 10/10 or 8/10 or 5/10 or 7/10. Let me know what you think. So I don't have all this afro comb. So this type of comb I have, I believe that if I have afro comb, it will make the root pop up more, it will make the hair to look more fuller, but it is what it is. Okay, I had to use what I have. Okay, so I just trying to do side pattern to see how side pattern will look like. Okay, so this is how the side pattern look like. Let me see what you think. Do you like this side pattern? This side pattern look more beautiful on me? Let me know. Okay, let me know. So you guys should be the judging. Okay, you guys should do the judging. Okay,
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you.
so I will style my hair another style now. Okay, I will use this my hair wrap or hair band. I don't know, it's something I normally use this thing to band my hair. Okay, so I will use this my hair band. I call it a hair band. Okay, so I will use it now to give my hair another style. Okay, I'll just tie it under so you can see the way I'm doing it. Okay, to give this twins out another beautiful look so that I can style this hair any style I choose. Okay, and go out and look so presentable and look so tawny. Okay, so this is another second style. Okay, this is another second style. This is how it look like. I'm just using this right tooth comb to brush my edges so my edges will be smooth. Okay, so this is how it is. Also, let me know what you call this style. Did this style is, what did you call this style? Let me know. And did this style look good on me? Did this style fit me? Let me also know in comment section below. So this is how it's looking like. Okay, a baby girl is feeling herself. So moving on to another style. Okay, I will still use this my hair band. I call it hair band to give myself another beautiful hairstyle. Okay, so also let me know what you think on this hairstyle. Also, I think this is third hairstyle. Let me know what you think on this hairstyle. Okay, and at this point, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, and turn on your post notification bell. Okay, and if you are not giving me like, please give me thumbs up. Okay, give me a big thumbs up. Baby girl try. Okay, your baby girl try. So give me thumbs up, encourage me a lot. Okay, to push out more good content out there for you guys. Okay, and also share this video to your family and friends. There may be one or two person that this video will be helpful for. Okay, so after styling that style, let me know what you score on that style. So this one is the last style I'll be styling my hair. Okay, I'm just bringing out little in the ear, my ear, I think now that what I call it now, my ear side. I just bring out a little, and also I bring out for the front of my face. Okay, so let's see after styling this, let's see what is called this. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please, if you have not subscribed, please use this opportunity now to subscribe. Okay, you will not regret it. Believe me, you will not regret it. Okay, like this video for me. Okay, really encourage so that YouTube can put this video to more people. Okay, and also share this video to your family and friends. Okay, you'll be helping one or two person out there. Okay, oh my goodness, so this is the last style I have for this my twins out. How did I look like? How did your baby girl look like? Did I look good? Did this style fit me? In all this style, let me know the one that give me more fitting than. Let me know the one that you love more, the one that you think that fits me more than. Okay, let me know. Okay, and also let me know the score that you give them. Okay, so this is the last style of mine. This is the last style, guys. You see, I'm feeling myself. I'm super excited.
In the basement of
So guys, I have come to end of today's video. Please, if you have not like, subscribe, share to your family and friends. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. I love you, but God love you most. Bye.